Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my acai bowl from home. These are very popular nowadays. I know a lot of people like them. I absolutely love them. It's basically like fruit on top of fruit on top of fruit with peanut butter, honey, and Nutella, granola, whatever your choice of option for your toppings, coconut flakes. I don't like coconut flakes. However, you know, you have your options. You can literally do whatever you want on top of your acai bowl. I personally buy my acai mix from Target. They have the Sambazon brand is what I usually get. It's in like a purple and gray packaging. I'll show you guys the packaging. It comes with a packet of 4 in them, but the 2 are attached to each other. I use these 2. I use the 2 that come out of the packaging together to make my one full bowl. In that acai mix, I will blend a banana, and then I'll also add my juice of choice, which what I have on hand today is orange juice. So I'm going to use just a little bit of orange juice just to make it a little bit more liquidy, since the packet is just a little bit more frozen. One more thing, acai, it isn't cheap, but it definitely has a little expensive side as well. So that's why you will see me trying to get every last bit of this acai out of this packaging. So since it's a little bit more frozen, I blend it up usually and just make it into like a puree, into like a mixture of like frozen yogurt or something. And then I will put it in my bowl, and then I will allow it to freeze a little bit more just to make sure that it's super hard but not too hard, so you can put your toppings on top of it without it like melting in and mashing in and just smashing completely. I also got this cute aesthetic bowl. I actually got this from Target as well. It was like 70 cents. I bought it for this video because I wanted to make sure that this was going to be somewhat cute. And this is what it looks like. So as you can see, I'm not going to like move it and shake it too much. It's actually pretty soupy, which is why I will be putting it back in the freezer to let it freeze some. So then once I take that out of the freezer, I'm going to start off with my granola. I will add my granola on top. I got this granola from Aldi. You can get your granola from anywhere. And then after the granola, I will add my fruits. And my fruits of choice today are kiwi, strawberry, and pineapple. I put them all 3 on there. Now I'm doing this for the aesthetic vibe. I usually don't care if it's this neat. However, I'm going to make it neat today for the purpose of the video. Then once I get all 3 fruits on there, I usually do line them up, but you could probably just mix them if you want to. You don't have to do it the way that I did it. Okay, so once they are lined up, then I go in with my peanut butter and my Nutella. The ones that I have today are Walmart brand, so they are off-brand, but they still taste amazing. So I would just start off with either or. Today I'll start off with the peanut butter first, then I'll put that on top. And then after the peanut butter, I will add the Nutella spread, hazelnut spread, whatever you choose to use. And then after that, I go in. And when I say go in, I go in with the honey, because honey is my absolute favorite. It is so sweet, such an amazing taste. I got this one from Aldi. I absolutely love honey. Okay, honey is my favorite. So once you add all 3 of those things, you're actually done. I know this was a really short video, but this is how I make my acai bowl at home. It is so amazing, so delicious, and actually very filling. So if you want this for breakfast or a snack throughout the day, there you go, sis. You got it. If you guys enjoyed this little quick video, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and make sure you comment below as well, letting me know that you like it as well. If you got this far, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below as well. And also feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm very active on both of those social media platforms. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want more videos like this, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Yum, 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 yum.